Hi, this is Professor Ajit Kumar from Skyline University, Nigeria, wishing Nigeria happy 61st Independence Day. On this occasion, we wish everyone in Nigeria good health, happiness and a brighter future.
Hi, may this Independence Day bring fortune and success to each and every one of us.
May our country see more progress in the coming years.
From all of us in Marketing Department, Skyline University, Nigeria, wishing you
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria!
From Library Department, Skyline University, Nigeria, we wish you Happy Independence Day, Nigeria!
My name is Engineer Bashir Garba from the Corporate Affairs Office of Skyline University, Nigeria. Happy Independence Day to Nigeria. I wish Nigerians great future ahead. Thank you.
From all of us at Admin, CCL, SSD of Skyline University, Nigeria, we wish Nigeria a happy Independence Day.
Happy 61st Independence to Nigeria. I wish all Nigerians improve and quality life.
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria!
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria.
I wish Nigeria gets greener.
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria!